BCH, we start with 1 hour chart. First of all, if you refer to our analysis in my last video, in the price after the price broke this top, which is around 720, we mentioned we can expect the price to drop for we get the correction, and this is exactly what we get. Anyway, right now, if we get any trade setup, we're looking for this correction. If we get any trade setup for buy, we will take the trade. But the question is how deep it can be. It can, I mean, it can, this correction, how deep it can go before we get the reversal. What I expect is based on FIP, we can expect the price drop to 627 following by 585. It doesn't mean we have to wait for price to drop to this level before we get the reversal. It's better if the price can break this low almost near to the previous low, but it couldn't break and drop some more. Then from there, if we get any reversal as a sharp move flag, we can look for trade. Okay, this is the best things we're looking for. All right, and if we get any trade setup for buy, we can consider 880 as a target. What we should know that as we can see, the 880 is higher than the previous top. That's why if we get any trade, we need to stay with. I mean, we consider the target as a breakout of the previous top. Okay. Anyway, we don't have any trade set up right now. The only way is we can have entry above this top, which is around 760 in case the price sharply reverse. Okay, but to look for trade, the best things is if the sun drops some more, as what we mentioned here, any range within this one. Then from there we look for reversal. But if the price sharply reverse, we can have entry above this, or even if we get a sharp move flag, we can look for buy. And having entry above this one is really risky. What we want the price break and continue the price tag. This is not moving within the first or second hours, we take the trade. All right. And if the price break this low and drop, then having entry above the stop is not valid and we need to adjust it. Anyway, we want to see if we get any trade setup, we can look for buy. But beside that, we need, even if we get a trade for buy, we should know that we can, I mean, we can consider about in case this is the flat, because we mentioned in most of the charts we get this flat, but since it's because of the price of the Bitcoin drop, right now we cannot confirm with that. Anyway, if we move to daily chart, we can expect the price consolidate here for a longer time before we get the reversal. That's why if we get any trade setup based on 1 hour chart, we need to be really careful. And as I explained, we're looking for this correction relative to this for one move up. But if we get any trade for buy, what we're looking for continuation as a sharp move. If it turns to a corrective move, we need to be quite careful about this flat. Anyway, we just follow the chart. If I see any update or any trade setup, I will share. Thanks.